Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Iron River, Wisconsin, a small town surrounded by forests, lakes, and a welcoming community spirit. This area is often called the blueberry capital of Wisconsin, thanks to its popular annual Blueberry Festival. Iron River was first settled in the late 1800s, when lumber and farming brought people to the region. History here is tied closely to the logging industry and the railroad that once connected the community to larger markets. Today, the town is a popular destination for fishing, boating, and snowmobiling, with trails that stretch for miles. Whether you're here for festivals, fresh air, or simply to enjoy small-town Wisconsin charm, Iron River has something special waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Iron River, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching!